Did you know that on Thursdays and Fridays we have an array of different activities for kids and youth here at Excel Church? On Thursdays, mornings and afternoons, we have 2 sessions of Noah's Ark Stay and Play. This is for toddlers and younger children to come along, but places must be booked for this by their parents. And on Fridays at 6:30 we have G-Force, which is our kids club. It's a lot of fun, lots of games and activities going on, and some great lessons from the Bible. And after G-Force on a Friday night at 8:15 p.m, we have our Friday night youth with our 180 youth, where we get together, we hang out, we play games, and we get to understand a bit more of God's word each week. And we love it, it's so much fun. So check out what we've got going on our website or on social media to keep up to date with these activities, and why not get involved?
Jesus Christ, victorious, you have come to save us.
Thank you to everyone who supported Hope in the Park last week. We had a fantastic time in the sun, and we were able to share the gospel with the people of Bilston. Now please pray that we'll see some of the families who were there get linked into church, and we'll see God's kingdom expanded.
Guys, here at Excel Church, you might have noticed how full Sundays are getting at church. We are packed to the brim and we're loving it. But what we want to do is, we feel like God is saying to expand what we're doing, but we don't know what that looks like. And so we're going to put on a prayer and fasting day to seek the Lord together as a church, all of us together, to seek the Lord, to find out what's He saying and what should we do next. We want to serve our community. We want to reach everyone who's coming through our doors, and we want to create space for that. And that means looking at what potential venues are around in the area, including the bingo hall that might be up for grabs within the near future. And so why don't you join us? We're going to have a prayer and fasting day as a church as a whole on Wednesday the 13th of July. So why don't you join us? The church is going to be open from 7 in the morning till 9 at night, and you can come by if you want physically in person to come and pray during a slot during that day, or you can just pray and fast where you are. But we want to do this collectively as a church to seek the Lord and see what He's saying for us in this next season as we expand and hear His voice of how we can continue to reach our community here. So join us on that day for prayer and fasting, and let's seek the Lord together. Our food bank is now running on a Monday, and this is with a new referral-based system. So you can come here to collect a food parcel if you've been referred from another charity or organisation or person. So if you would like to get something from the food bank, then you can come on a Monday if you're referred. But guys, if you'd like to actually take part in donating some non-perishable items, then you can still do that and just drop some stuff off over in the foyer, where there's actually a list of suggested food items that you can donate. So let's keep it running in this new format and this new way to help our community here in Bilston and further afield. So that's all for Excel News, but don't forget this week is Connect Group, so make sure you connect with yours. If you're not already in a Connect Group where you can build community here at Excel Church, then why not let us know? Speak to one of our team on the Welcome team, and we'd love to get you connected in to meet some more people and to grow deeper in your faith and community here at Excel. So that's all for Excel News. Have a great week.